Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ngingane amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. In this channel, we are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Ngesafuna ukukhuluma nengane zesithunywa, more specifically ingane zesithunywa abanesithunywa esithunyelwe ekhaya. Uma unengilosi egijimayo kanti futhi ingilosi yakho ithunyelwe ukuthi isize ikhaya. As human beings, we have descended from the people who came before us. Like I normally say, ngingane amakhehla amadala, ngingane amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle, ngisicelo sabaphansi, meaning ingilosi engihamba nayo, the spirit that guides me, sizongihola, sizongihlenga ukuthi ngikwazi ukusiza ikhaya. And nayinto ekumele uyazi mawuyingane yesithunywa esithunyelwe ekhaya, you'll be faced with a lot of challenges. Ekhaya sometimes angeke uzuthandwe. Why? Because of you see a lot of things. Basically, you are there to assist the people who came before you, and you are there to fulfill ifiso zabo ngekhaya. So as ngiyingane enesithunywa esithunyelwe ekhaya, nami abaphansi bami, my ancestors, my great fathers, they give me ideas, they give me things to say, buga nazi izinto esifuna ukuthi usenzele sona. And wena njoba uyingane yesithunywa, you are trusted ngeimfihlo zekhaya. Uzoboniswa things that happened in the past, things that are currently happening, and things that will happen in the future. So as you are trusted, you are given power, you are given gifts, uphiwe nje ubusisekile, and most importantly, you are protected. So kumele ke manje uphaphame, kumele ke manje uyeke ukufuna impilo from the outside. Stop looking at your friends ukuthi bona baphila kanjani, stop looking at other people ukuthi bayenza kanjani izinto, and actually try and understand ukuthi eyakho ingilosi ifuna ukuthi uwenzeni. By praying and listening to the communication ophiwa yona. Into engizokutshela yona, awuboniswa izinto mahala. You are not protected for free. You are protected because of who you go. You are of value to God and to your people, and it is through you that you are going to uplift your family. So the opportunities that you get, inhlakanipho lo ophiwa yona, thola ukuthi wena uyilengane ehlakaniphile ekhaya, izinto zakho ziyashesha. You need to open your hands. Charity begins at home. And yes, ziningi inkinga uhlangabezana nazo, even noma usebenza la usebenza khona, there are hardships, kunobunzima, but lobo bunzima lobo describes the power that you possess within yourself. I am sharing this with you because of nami ngiyingane yesithunywa, isithunywa esithunywe ekhaya, and also esithunywe kuphi in the community. It's not easy. Impilo yesithunywa sasekhaya ayikho lula because of you will start off as struggling. Ustrugglisha, but you keep at it. You pray, you talk to your people, uphahla, ukhuleka. The more you pray, and it will differ ngengilosi yakho le uhamba nayo ukuthi yona ifuna ukuthi uwenze, and then it will guide you. But the main key to opening whatever that is stored within you, it is through prayer. Praying, and listening to your heart. Whatever desires that you are having, you are given them by God, you are given them by your people. Because you will find out that mangakutshela ifiso zami, you be saying, hi, she's dreaming small. Hi, really? That's you just want to settle for that. That's who I am. That's what I want. And there will be people who say, oh, uphupha kancane, yazi. Hayi mina if benguye, I would ask for this, I would ask for that. Ngiyingane amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. I stay true to myself. I know what makes me happy. I know what it is that I want. And My people and God know izinto engiyifisayo ngenhliziyo yami. Some of the things engiyifisayo ngizitholile, and some of the things engisayifisayo angikazitholi. So bona, it's like we know you want this, but you'll have to open your heart. You'll have to work. You need to do what we called you to do there. Do it, and then sizokunika konke lokhu okufisa ngenhliziyo yakho. So to everyone out there oyingane yesithunywa and isithunywa sakho sithunyelwe ekhaya, your life is not easy. Your life is challenging, I know. Ubona imfihlo zekhaya, ubona all of that, but ukubekezela nokukhuleka, abanqobi bempi banokubekezela. Salukwazi sami sihlezi sisho kanjalo ukuthi abanqobi bempi banokubekezela. So bekezela, ukhuleke, and just serve your purpose. Yazi mina, I am happy, I am grateful, and I am humbled that I am able to carry umsebenzi wabadala, umsebenzi kaMveli Nqangi nje, and that makes me happy. And I'm at a stage in my life where I'm saying I'm living a purposeful life. So uma uyingane ekhethekile esithunywa sigijima ekumele usize ekhaya, the riches that you get, inhlakanipho onayo, you need to share it. You need to ulungise ekhaya kube kuhle. And I know that people will say ngiyilast born ekhaya and yime ngenza 1 2 3. Nami ngiyilast born ekhaya, but I did so much ekhaya, and I still want to do so much ekhaya. I love my family, and I've accepted that ngithunyelwe kithi, ngisithunywa ekhaya, ngithunyiwe. Let me just do my work so that when I finally meet my people again, ngelizayo ngizobe ngila, I'll be dancing. It's so beautiful. They visit you, abantu abadala, you know. And my cousin would say, ungawuvumela umqondo wakho uduke ngoba hayi shem uyawuvumela. But it's not that ngivumela ukuthi umqondo uduke, but I'm just in love with the process of becoming Magazi, with the process of being me. I appreciate self. I'm humbled. I'm happy. I'm happy that I exist. I'm happy. Yes, some days kunzima ngiyakhala, but yenza ukuthula, make peace, and try to understand. Ubone ukuthi impilo izoba yinhle kanjani. Ibone nje ukuthi life is going to be so beautiful. I've struggled. I've met people who hurt me in my life, but I'm still standing. That's what excites me. I'm so grateful. I had to go through all of that to become Lento Engi. And you know what's nice about being ingane yesithunywa and esithunywe ekhaya? Bazokugadla, but the protection that comes with it. Awenzwa lutho, you are protected by your people. And ekugcineni wena mnqobi wempi, you stand. You're the last man standing. So ngiyanicela bantu, pray, try to understand ingilosi yakho, and whatever communication inhliziyo yakho ethi kwenze uma kumele ulungise ekhaya kwenze, uma kumele wenze umsebenzi yenza, make peace and accept, and stop being depressed ukuthi yime ngithwele ekhaya. No. Khala makumele ukhale, cry, be angry if you want to be angry. Like, let your emotions serve their purpose. There are days where I feel kunzima, and it was when I was fighting impi ephakathi ekhaya. I would cry when I pray. I would just do a lot, you know. Ngikhale, but here I am. I'm over it. I'm happy. It's because of I allow my emotions to serve their purpose. Akukho lula because of the underground gang and God are giving it all to you. The power that you have, it's too much. It's out of this world. But the power that you are given, the responsibility that comes with it, it's a lot also, because of wena uboniswa kakhulu ungaphinde ubonwe njengomuntu owumxabanisi because of you are able to see ukuthi lo uwenza kabi lo, so uzotshela bani, kumele ukhuze bani, wenzeni. You don't even say it to anyone. You kneel down and pray and ask God ukuthi akabakhanyisele, akabarevelele, and ask ukuthi that they are protected. I am so happy. I am so happy and I am grateful. I also want you to be grateful and accept that you have a role to play in your family. Umunengilo segijimayo, into zakho ziyagijima nawe. Successful, yonke into yakho nje iza quickly. And they are very quick to take everything also. They are very, very quick. Obaqede ngawe abantu abadala ukuthi nje bakususe egameni if you are not doing what you are supposed to do. And instead uzobona kuloko kunzima kakhulu, because angikhumbuli mina ngisiza ekhaya and then ngakhala ukuthi I'm lacking something. I'm helping ekhaya, but I don't like anything. I'm enough. Ngina ukudla, ngina indawo yokulala, nginazo impahla. I'm happy with self. Ngina idatha, ngisharp. So by just assisting someone, I've never lacked anything. Instead, givele kwande nje, kwande with happiness, kwande with peace, kwande with things that money cannot buy. So nawe ngane ethunyelwe ekhaya, ufana nami umakaziwe, ufana nje shiqi nami. And I know kunzima vele, there are challenges, but keep praying, stay strong, ukhuleke ngamandla, ukhuleke ngokukholwa. Mina ngane amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle, ngithi akubo ubumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Stay beautiful, stay peaceful.